Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a trending AI photo using Google Gemini's newest image feature. This effect will turn your photo into a realistic commercial styles figure display on computer desks. And it's going viral right now on social media. Okay, let's get started. First, just open Gemini. You can open it to your browser or to the app like this. And then next, just log in using your Google account. And after that, just go to create image, this one, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is the same way to access the Nano Banana, the latest feature that will allows you to instantly edit images using only text prompts. And then next, just upload the photo. Just upload the photo that you want to transform. For the best result, just use a clear portrait photo with good lighting and a simple background. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then next, let's typing a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. Like this, you can just follow it exactly like mine like this. This prompt will turn your photo into a high quality text figure concept, just like a real product design. Or if you want, you can also tweak the prompt as you like to match your styles. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini, paste it, and when you're done, just tap on generate. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, your AI figure is ready like this. Just look at the result. It looks so amazing. It really feels like a premium collectible figures on a designer's desk like this. And okay, that's it. You have just created a trending AI photo using Gemini. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.